Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about the brand Coach. I want to talk about how Coach has or is reinventing themselves as one of the it girls. Coach was hot back in the day. It low-key fell off. I want to say it because it was so accessible to so many people. It was looked at as one of the, as not a luxury piece. Yes, it was high-end, but you know, everybody and their mother did have a Coach bag. The quality was great, but I feel like there was just something about it that I could not get into. Fast forward, we're now here in the year of our Lord 2022. For the past few years, I want to say from 2020, around that point of, you know, whatever is going on, they have had some of the most amazing collaborations, from Jennifer Lopez to Michael B. Jordan. I just saw that today. I saw that they're collabing with they're collabing with Lil Nas X. They have done collaborations. The Coach outlet website, they collaborated with Basquiat. That collab, I believe, oh my gosh, I want to say Coach has had some of the best collaborations, hands down. Their most recent ones that prompted, the most recent one that prompted this video is a collaboration that they're currently doing with graphic designers. I don't want to mess up the name, so let me look it up. It's Mint and Serf, okay? Mint and Serf, again, like I said, they are graphic designers. You know who else also does some really cool collaborations? MCM. But MCM collaborates a lot with graphic designers. Meg Thee Stallion, she was a collaborator with Coach. They are again becoming the it brand. They're becoming that it girl of the fashion world, right? They are competing. They are here to stay. Last year, was it the Tabby bag? It was not a personal friend of mine. It's not a personal favorite of mine because I'm not a fan of those cloudy looking, plushy, fluffy looking accessories at all. But that one, it sold out everywhere. I was shook, right? If you go on the Coach website right now, it has its own category. It's ridiculous. But I wanted to talk about this particular collaboration because I saw a bag. It's the Rogue 39. This bag costs $1,295, okay? Like American, United States dollars. This bag is freaking gorgeous. Like, this is a gorgeous everyday bag. The only thing I wish with this website is that, here it is, is that they would put their collaborative works in its own category. So I wish I could go on there and click and view every single Mint and Serf piece that they've made with Coach. That's what I wish. I could probably do that on Nordstrom, maybe. I'm not sure. But being on the website itself, I cannot click. Look, I cannot click the Mint and Serf like thing. It has to be, it's crazy. So that bag is cool. They have a little pochette, if you want to call it that. They have the, what's this, 25 women, that's a little smaller one. They have shirts, they have a shoulder bag, they have a crossbody bag, they have the one that looks like the little, what do you call it, a bag? I'm speaking in Louis Vuitton. But yeah, they have a lot of pieces with this, with these designers, or with this, is it one person or is it two? I don't even know. But said all of that to say that Coach is right now becoming again the brand to, you know, have, and I love that for them. As you know, I have a few pieces from the Coach outlet site, which is their 5 keyring holder, and one of the keyring things fell off, but that's for another story. I have a wallet from them, and I have a card holder from them. So far, so good. In the cart, in the wallet though, the little window part where you put your ID, that's starting to break. But again, that's for another story. So yeah, but those are from the outlets, and you know, the outlet has not as great quality as the actual Coach.com website, but that's for another story. And I do also have another Coach bag, but that's again for another story. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about that. I really just wanted to talk about that collab and how much I love it and how much I'm into it. And I feel like I want to do more videos like this where I talk about brands collabing with people, like TheFourFiveFour and Rainbow collabing like that. Oh my gosh, for New York Fashion Week, TheFourFiveFour was in the Rainbow in New York, and they were selling their bags, only the shopping bags though, every single color you can think of in Rainbow. You were allowed to purchase up to 5 bags if you wanted to. Tears did not come to my eyes, but I loved that because I did a video talking about how you should build your wardrobe with Rainbow. Hello, Rainbow dress right now. Buy your basic Rainbow pieces, your $7 dress, your $10 dress, your $20 dress, and wear it with your $300 shoes, your $200 purse, your fine jewelry, your Tiffany, your Cartier, all these things. And look at it, it's coming into fruition where TheFourFiveFour and Rainbow have created this like love child. I love to see it. I love to see it. But yes, that is it. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.